Alright, welcome back to the Backend Web Development first video of the series. Backend Web Development is the unsung hero of the internet. Imagine the internet as a huge city. You get to see the buildings, the streets, the landmarks. Everything is the front end. But you interact with it, it is powered by something else. The invisible infrastructure, the servers, the database, the logic that drives everything that you see in the front end. In this video, we're going to talk about the key technologies, focusing on why backend development is important, the key responsibilities of a backend developer, and also some common technologies as well as the future of backend development. Now, as a backend developer, you are the architect behind the scenes. You build a framework that supports the front end, ensuring everything is smooth, and your work would definitely involve the server-side logic. You write code that actually processes user requests, performs calculations, and generates dynamic content. In addition, you also manage the database, starting with designing and managing the database to store, retrieve, and also give back information efficiently. Next up, you have to work on the API development. API stands for Application Programming Interface. You create interfaces that allow the different parts of the software or the different components to communicate with each other. In order to succeed with this task, you need programming languages like Python, JavaScript, PHP, Ruby, Java, C#, you name it. You also need a database, which could be relational or not only relational. That is SQL and NoSQL databases, which we already discussed earlier. For the backend development, there is a high demand because the internet is constantly growing, and businesses eventually need skilled backend developers to power their online presence. You need to be a creative problem solver because you face challenges like optimizing performance, securing data, we just talked about cybersecurity, and also building a scalable system that can grow and impact your work. Your code will directly affect how millions of users interact with the website and applications.